Isabella! What you doing, Isabella? Come, Isabella! Come! Come! Come on! Say hi! Hi! Oh, hi! Abba! Abba! What do you have there? What do you have there, Abba? What are you eating? Peanuts? What is that? Cheese? Soy? What is it? This Kaya at Stanford. Oh, you can't see a blacklit.
This is the main academic part of it. So you guys were in a classroom on the bottom floor of Jordan Hall, which is that building right over there. So this is kind of. Okay, turn it loose.
Yeah, there's no doctor. I think they're having orientation.
Yeah, because people are interested in flying or something or